Welcome to the science class. Hope you all are doing well. So let us proceed with our class. Today we will be learning chapter 2, rocks and minerals. So let us first understand meaning of words rocks and minerals. So minerals are basically the chemicals which occur naturally, and rocks are the substance which are made from these minerals. You can see here that rocks somehow look like a stone. They are hard like a stone. They have different textures, colors, sizes. So I hope student meaning of both the word is clear with you all. So let us proceed. Our today's topic will be rocks, their types and formation. So first of all, let us see types of rocks. There are three types of rocks. They are igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. So let us first see about igneous rock. We will first learn about formation of igneous rock and various examples of igneous rocks. So igneous rocks are formed when there is volcanic eruption. I hope you are aware about the phenomenon of volcano, that when there is a volcanic eruption, the magma which is present in the outer core of the earth flows out on the earth's surface. We call it lava. It is very hot and is in the liquid form. But later on with time, when the lava cools down, it becomes hard and it forms a rock. We call it as igneous rock. So students, this is how igneous rocks are formed. The word igneous stands for fire made. Meaning of the word igneous itself means fire made. So igneous rocks, they have a glossy shine, a smooth feel, and they look like colored glass, like you can see here. So students, there are different types of igneous rock in our nature. There are many types of igneous rocks are found naturally. We have to learn about some commonly used igneous rocks. They are granite, obsidian, pumice and basalt. These are some commonly used igneous rock. So let us learn about uses of these igneous rocks in our day-to-day life. Granite is often used for construction of front parts of building. It is also used for making kitchen tops and tabletops. Next is basalt. So basalt is very commonly used in building of roads. It is used in construction of roads. Pumice. Pumice is very light in weight. It is used as scrubbing stone for removing dead skin from our feet, and it is also used to make different types of lightweight construction material. Obsidian. Actually, obsidian is the igneous rock which is soft. It is available in different colors and it have a glossy shine. Thus it is used in making different kind of jewelry. It is also used in preparation of decorative pieces which we commonly used in our day-to-day life. So students, I hope igneous rock, its formation and examples, this topic is clear with you all. So students, thank you so much. Take care everyone. Bye bye.